For the Rana Bass family, the carefree days of summer have been plagued by uncertainty about returning to school. In the end, Mackenzie and Ashan will put on their masks and head back.
If we just don't feel safe within a couple months of school starting, we definitely have that option to say, hey, I think we just might rethink this and keep the kids home.
Teachers and school staff are being encouraged to be tested before classes begin. Here's what they were facing today: a snaking lineup of people waiting to be tested for COVID-19, perhaps the most visible sign that Edmonton is seeing a big spike. Just 9 days after returning to work in hotel maintenance, Gary Sander is off yet again. A co-worker has tested positive. His income has been halved, but Sander has a bigger concern.
Oh, well, I could take it home to my family, and I don't want my family to get it because my wife is diabetic, so we can't take the risk.
Most of Edmonton's cases have come from parties and social events, a vast majority of new cases in people under 40. But there are now 15 confirmed Edmonton cases connected to this church, raising concerns about other gatherings. Enough cases to put the city on an official COVID watch.
There are no additional public health measures required at this time in Edmonton. However, we are watching it closely.
This infectious diseases specialist says the numbers are a clear warning sign.
And as soon as you let your guard down, it seems to come roaring back very effectively. And I think we're seeing the start of that here.
The question now is how to convince the rest of the city to take the measures needed to reduce that roar. Carolyn Dunn, CBC News, Edmonton.